Hello guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video we will be discussing Immutable X. What is Immutable X? How does it work? What is it used for? And also the benefits. So without wasting much of the time, let's get into it. We're going to start with Immutable X. What is Immutable X? Immutable X, also known as IMX, is Ethereum's first Layer 2 scaling solution for non-fungible token NFT, offering immediate trading, scalability, and zero gas cost for minting and trading, all without jeopardizing user or asset security. So what do we mean by all of this? First of all, starting with Layer 2, also known as L2. What is Layer 2? Okay. Before we can explain Layer 2, let's understand what is Layer 1. Layer 1 is the best blockchain that we all know and also heard of. Example, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, etc. These are the underlying foundation of a blockchain, also known as the main network or mainnet, that various Layer 2 blockchains are built on top of. It defines the core rules of the ecosystem. A Layer 1 blockchain includes the following: the blockchain itself and the history of transaction data, a network of node operators that secure and validate the network, a network of block producers, and finally, the consensus mechanism. An example of consensus mechanism is proof of work, also known as the POW. This requires the computational power to solve the encrypted puzzle called the hash. Basically, this verifies and audits transactions on the blockchain. Okay, having known this, we can now go back to explaining what Layer 2 is. A Layer 2 is a collective term for Ethereum's scaling solutions that handles transactions of Ethereum main blockchain, also known as the Layer 1, while still taking advantage of the robust, decentralized security of Ethereum Layer 1. A Layer 2 is a separate blockchain, also known as off-chain, that extends Ethereum main blockchain. So we can look at it this way. L1 has the security and decentralization, and L2 has the scalability. So the benefits of Layer 2 blockchain: zero gas fee for minting and trading. What this means is that when performing transactions on the blockchain, you don't pay for gas fee. Fast trading experience, and also scalability. If you would like to see a video on Layer 2 blockchain, please comment down below. Okay, so guys, how does Immutable X work? Just like any Ethereum Layer 2 solution, Immutable X regularly communicates with Layer 1 by submitting bundles of transactions in order to ensure that it has the same security and decentralization guaranteed by Layer 1. All this requires no changes to the Layer 1 protocol, Ethereum. This lets Layer 1 take care of security, data availability, and decentralization, while Layer 2 handles scaling. Layer 2s take transactional burden away from Layer 1 and post finalized proofs back to Layer 1. By removing this transaction load from Layer 1, the base layer becomes less congested and everything becomes more scalable. So guys, having known all of this, what can we use Immutable X for? Creation of NFT, minting of NFT, trading of NFT, and also games assets. Alright, thank you guys for your time. That should be a wrap for this video. On our next video, we will be deploying an Immutable X compatible smart contract on the Ethereum test network. So click on the subscribe button to get an update when the video drops, and also click on the like button so that YouTube can recommend this video to other people that also want to learn about Immutable X. Thank you guys so much, and see you guys later. Bye.